Hi, good evening, and welcome to Back to School Night. I'm Miss McIntosh, and I'll be teaching your student in 8th grade physical education. First, a little bit about me. I went to school at California State University, Long Beach. I have a bachelor's degree in kinesiology and a master's degree. I also have a teaching credential in physical education and a teaching credential in health science. I have 19 years of teaching experience, and I'm very happy to be back at Fissler School again for another year. I've coached athletics for many years, which I enjoy and I will miss greatly. Hopefully we will get to do it sometime again soon. Topics of focus for your 8th grade student this year are nutrition and physical activity, exercising within a small setting, injury prevention and safety, mental, emotional, and social health, personal, community, health, social and emotional learning. The curriculum for PE is guided by NASPE. That's called Physical Best Activity. We also use BrainPop, Kahoot, and we use the National PE Standards for 8th grade, as well as the California State Standards for Physical Education. There's a link on this presentation where you can access those standards. Class grading. 25% class participation, attendance, materials, and active participation in our mat classes we've been doing and stretching classes, 40% homework and classwork, and 35% tests and quizzes. The homework policy is students are always given class time to work on their classwork. Classwork that is not finished does become homework. With distance learning, a short video might be assigned for homework. Health homework for 7th grade is given in advance through Google Classroom. Homework should never take more than 30 minutes a day. How to check your students' assignments. PowerSchool and Google Classroom. Please check PowerSchool online. It's updated weekly. Late work will result in a loss of some points, but late work is accepted up to 1 week late. Absent work is accepted for full credit for the number of days a student was absent. Absent work is accepted for late credit after 1 week, but extra credit opportunities are not an option for this class. If you would like a parent account and you don't have one for Google Classroom, please email me with your child's name and class period number. I'll be happy to help you. All of the links are in 360 Distance Learning, my email, my Google Classroom, and also my Haiku page. Once again, office hours for your student are from 11:15 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. and they can also be found on the PowerSchool website. My email is above at laura_mcintosh@myfsd.org. Thank you for viewing this presentation, and I look forward to working with all of the students in my class. We are going to move our bodies and practice personal well-being and fitness from home. We are already having a fun and exciting time of learning, and we hope to continue that soon. Thank you.